Most of us can do a lot more than we think we can and than we're doing. Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I aspire to inspire you to do a lot more with your life and enjoy it. Be more playful along the way. And you can find some links down in the description to some of my most current projects, books, courses, and if you would like to contact me for some consulting on self-coaching, hit me up. Anyhow, what I've been getting into lately is papercrete, pumice, I call it, alternative construction mega sculptures. And I'm preparing to start my first mega sculpture. Uh, Hopefully by the end of this year, I will have my first property secured for that and a website up and be collecting partners of various degrees. So if you're interested in that, please also check for a link in the description below and connect with me with that. My friend Sapphire Cat just came out here and laid down next to me. She's a snuggler. Anyhow, I've been playing with different mixtures of little bits of Portland cement, paper, pumice, lime. I read a lot about magnesium-based concrete, and I am excited about all of it. I think we can do a lot better job with future construction, with passive temperature control, and um, more cost-effective and labor effective. Is that efficient? Efficient and effective construction methods. That's what I am into. And if you have any tips or thoughts or sources that you want to pass along, please do that in the comments. I'm going to be sharing, I've just in the process of documenting this, my Foo Dog Mega-Sculpture, which is a very experimental treehouse storage unit and little root cellar down there, as well as a big Foo Dog sculpture. I call it my root cellar dog cave. And also have a picture book just about ready to publish and some other stuff on my Head Hutt, which is in the same yard. Let me see if we can see it. Over there, I'm up in the top of the Foo Dog, which is up in the tree. I always wanted a tree house when I was younger, and basically I've got one now. Hi. So I'll be sharing more details about both of those projects, as well as my project out of town in Moriarty, where I'm going to be doing even more experimental stuff. All of this in preparation for this big Unity Dragon amphitheater, Unity Community Center that I am really excited to get started on. And I'm going to need a lot of help. I'm going to need a lot of help brainstorming about it, actually building it, funding it, all kinds of ways that you can help me. So please do connect with me on that. And back to my original point. We can do a lot more than we think we can. Even with all that, sometimes I talk about all the things I'm doing and all the things I'm getting ready to do, and some of the people that I interact with act kind of overwhelmed, and they go like, wow, that's a lot of stuff. I get tired just listening to you. I hear things like that a lot, and that's amazing to me, because I've hung out with people who do way more than me, where I think, gosh, I get exhausted just thinking about all the stuff they do, and it's just been shown time and time again. And if you think about it, it's true in your heart and in your gut and in your mind that we can do more than we think we can. We can do both as much as we think we can, because we limit ourselves with our minds most of all, and also that potential to do even more, which is kind of the idea behind my Dragons project, is there's just always untapped human potential. We're always pushing forward, growing, learning new things, gaining new capacities. That's evolution, baby. It's pretty exciting to me. I hope it's exciting to you, and I hope you are inspired to not just do more, but enjoy more. It's not about how much you get done or what you leave, really. It's about how much did you enjoy? How much joy did you get? How much love did you get to share? That's my 2 cents for today. I hope you are soaking it up, enjoying it fully, and not being afraid to dream big, to think about things that you might have thought were impossible or that other people might still think are impossible. If you feel inspired to do something, just do it. There's no time like the present, and just start. You'll fail some, you'll learn some, and you'll continue to get better. And if you keep taking little steps towards your big goals, you'll get there. And again, remember, you can do 10 or 20 times more than you think you can, and definitely 10 or 20 times more than you probably are right now. Till next time, peace, prosperity, positivity, potential, progress, and playfulness. Don't forget to smile and drive forward.